Hello friends, today we will read an interesting story. Moon Singers. Golu Gorilla loved to lie under a tree and simply gaze at the sky. He liked to see the clouds moving slowly, the birds flying and aeroplanes zooming in the sky. The sun, the moon, and the stars would amaze Golu. He found the sun rather strange. It was so pleasant in the morning, but so hot at noon. At night, it completely disappeared. Now that was strange indeed. The moon would creep in a very quietly at night and disappear by morning. And all this puzzled Golu. Golu loved the twinkling stars. He knew that the stars and the moon were close friends. They would come together and live together. One night, when Golu was about to sleep, he heard a strange noise. He got up to see where the sound was coming from. As he walked through the bushes and the trees, the noise grew louder. Golu knew that he was getting closer to the sound. Suddenly, he stopped. What he saw really surprised him. The fox, the bear, the monkey, the cat, and even the donkey were all singing together. Each one was singing a different song in its own tune. Golu Gorilla was shocked. They were so busy in their own singing that no one even noticed him. The sound grew louder and louder till Golu could bear it no more. He covered his ears with his hands and screamed, "Stop shouting!" Everyone stopped and turned towards Golu Gorilla and shouted back in chorus, "Can't you see? We are singing." "Well, why don't you sing one by one?" Golu suggested. "That will sound so much better." No one listened to him. They continued to sing and Golu returned home disappointed. The following night, the same thing happened. Golu was again woken up by those strange noises. The other animals of the jungle were also very unhappy. They could no longer sleep at night. This went on the next day and the next. On the seventh day, Golu Gorilla lay under the tree, admiring the moon. He looked at the moon and wondered how its shape changes every night. Suddenly, he had an idea. Golu called for a meeting of all the singers the next evening. He praised each one of them for their beautiful voices and said, "What wonderful voices you have! I wish I could hear each of you one by one." Then added, "Why doesn't one of you be the performer every evening?" "That's a good idea, but who will sing on which day? I want to be the first one," said the fox. The deer and the monkey said that they too wanted to be the first ones to sing. "Look up at the sky," said Golu Gorilla. And for once all the animals obeyed. "The moon will decide who will sing," he added. "The moon? But how?" asked the puzzled animals. "So here is the plan," said Golu. He pulled out a big sheet of paper and drew different shapes of the moon. Next to each shape, he wrote the name of an animal. "So each one of us gets to sing twice every month, and that too a solo performance," shouted the deer, jumping with joy. "What happens when there is no moon?" asked the monkey. "No performance on no moon day," said Golu. The animals praised Golu Gorilla and thanked him for his clever plan. "Thank you,"